What is going on, y'all? Mamba here, back with another trade review and market recap. Today is 2/24. Great trading day. We had a pretty big sell-off. I yielded about $5,400 on my accounts. So let's break down the day. So coming into today, indices were showing relative strength, up about 0.5%. I wanted us to see if we can continue higher. But the hard thing was like we were stuck in this previous Friday's bar, which is about 500 points. And I wanted us to see if we can potentially start to fill the previous bar. And the way I was going to do that is with the opening print. So I was going to use the opening print as the line in the sand. And also I want to see reactions with the overnight highs and lows to see if we can continue higher or go lower. So let's break that down. Let's go into the 2-minute. So to start off the day, we opened here. We kind of rallied up slightly and then we aggressively sold off and got under the pre-market lows. And then from there, I wasn't too interested in longs unless we got a bounce at this level. But from there, I was kind of just looking for a short opportunity. And then we presented this 3-bar play right here. And then as I got into the trade, I kind of didn't like the setup just because this bar didn't fully close inside of the previous bar. And then once I saw these wicks, I got out around here. So I lost about 0.5 R just because I wanted us to actually get a pullback. This kind of entry is more like FOMO based. So I didn't want to start off the day like that. The better entry would have been actually on ES right here. So we presented a double inside bar, and these two bars fully closed in between the previous bar. So this setup would have been fine, and this setup would have yielded about 4.7 R. So that's something I'm looking into in future trades. If the setup looks better on ES, I gotta take ES. But anyways, let's go back to the trade that I took. So ES or NQ, I mean right here, we rallied up, presented a sell trigger. So sell setup right here, I measured my risk about 22 points to make about 45. So this is my first trade of the day. So my first target was at the 664 level, and that yielded me about 2 Rs. So I trimmed off half my position, and then as we were making lower, I tried trimming more of my position. So I trimmed some at like 90 points, 100 points, and then my last sell was at 120 points or so. So that was the fire trade to start the day. I was up a good amount. And then I can also improve on this trade just because we sold off all the way up to 270. My maximum was 120 points. So I missed out on 150. And what I can do is start to trail the bars so I can actually yield a better return. So that's something that I'm learning from, so I can even do better going forward. Even though today was a fire day, you can always find ways to improve, and that's what you should do as a trader. So we got aggressive pullback or rally afterwards, and then on ES I ended up taking this level reject right here. So we failed to continue higher at this level based off of this wick, and then once we start to get like a 5-minute close below the level again, I measured my risk here, so I'm risking about 4.5, and I was honestly just aiming I could have aimed for the lows, but I was up a lot. I really only wanted to basically yield another 2 R. So I took this trade. I scaled on my position on this consolidation, and looking back, I definitely should have held it all the way to here. But I had 2 amazing trades on NQ and ES. First trade on NQ, I lost about half a R, and this trade I yielded about 3 Rs, and this trade I yielded about 2 Rs. So fire day overall, profit 5,400 on all my accounts. So great session to start the week. I have a profit cushion to work with, and just looking forward to the remainder of the week. With that being said, you'll have a good one. Peace.